Hey guys, welcome to another video on personal finance tips and strategies. Here is a high-paying career which you can obtain without a college degree. This could allow you to earn a six-figure income with just having a high school education. Now, this high-paying career to which I'm referring to is being a barber or a cosmetologist. It's a lucrative career opportunity with the earning potential of over $40,000 to $150,000 per year without having a college degree. Now, contrary to popular belief, earning a six-figure income doesn't always require a college degree. With the right combination of skills, hustle, and experience, there are several career paths open to those with just a high school diploma. Now, the path to getting started is attend a state-approved cosmetology school to obtain your license. Length of time is usually under a year. Then hustle to build a large clientele base. Reach out to all your family and friends, then consider opening your own business, whether brick and mortar or going mobile. You will be well on your way to making $40,000 to $150,000 a year without having a college degree. That's a six-figure income with no college degree. Now let's look at White Pays. White Pays, specializing in high demand services such as celebrity grooming, bridal styling, and offering a premium experience that push earnings well into six figures. So don't be discouraged because you don't have a college degree. Your high school diploma can be the beginning of a financially rewarding career. Whether you prefer working with your hands, solving problems, just be willing to work and hustle. Whether selling or managing projects, there is a six-figure future out there for you with no college degree required. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and click on the thumbs up button to leave us a like. We will be doing more deep research and we will be sharing these high-paying career opportunities with you that has the opportunity for you to make a six-figure or a seven-figure or an eight-figure income without having a college degree. And we will be posting these findings on this channel, so you want to stay tuned. And remember, if you have something that you would like to add to this information, please do so by making your comments in the comment section below so that the person who is watching this video can benefit from that which you have added. Okay, until then, God bless your efforts and please be safe.